Hi everyone, Renata here from Akita Chow Food, Family and Fun. Just making a very simple dinner that I thought I'd share with you. So it's turkey wings, which is something my husband loves. So I'm making those. I got them actually at Whole Foods. So in this pot we have, I think there are 4 turkey wings. And I fill it up until, not too much water in there, but a little, enough so that it goes up the sides of them, just about covers them. And I've got a couple of carrots cut up in here, a couple of onions. And the only other things I add then are, right here, ginger garlic paste, or of course you can use fresh ginger, fresh garlic, grate those up, chop the garlic up. But sometimes when you're lazy, that ginger and garlic paste is great, and you can get that in an Indian grocery. Then some kind of a curry powder. I have lots of Indian curry powders. Actually, a friend of mine brought a bunch back from India for me, so I, use those. But today I thought I would use the Penzeys basic curry, the now curry, which is really nice, and then some Himalayan sea salt. And then after the wings have cooked for about 15 minutes, I add some brown basmati rice. And if you want it soupy, you don't add very much. If you want it more like a curry rice dish, then you add, more. So I'm going to cover this up now, and then I will show you what it looks like when it is done. These are done. I'll show you what they look like. A nice light curry sauce. And you can eat this just the way it is. Really delicious. Or you can finish it with a little, you can first put just a little sugar in here right before it's done. Maybe just a flat tablespoon. Mix it in a little bit. And then at this stage, a little heavy cream. And then when you've got it in bowls, sprinkle it with a little lime juice. I know it sounds really strange, but it's excellent that way. So I will show you what it looks like when it's plated. Hi everyone, this is what the dish looks like when it's done. So this was finished with a little heavy cream, and then I put a little lime juice on top, and I have a couple of really nice croutons I tossed on there just for a little crunch. A couple of pickles. And like I said, when it was done, I added a little bit of sugar, just a very little bit, before I put the heavy cream in. But you don't have to do any of that. You can just eat it right after it's cooked. You don't have to add anything to it. It's really good. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much and have a great day.